Hey guys, my name is PK from Almost Inevitable Design, and this course is about developing your own custom themes. And when I say custom, I mean fully custom from top to bottom. So you're gonna actually come along with me through so many videos. I have so many videos, like over 70 videos, and the whole curriculum is right here. And what we're going to learn is we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to start from learning how to take a client brief as a developer, as an advanced WordPress developer. You're going to learn how to take a client's brief, and then you're going to learn how to scope and quote it, which means you're going to be doing your research. You're going to be advising on what takes how much time, all of that. And then you're going to learn how to collaborate with the designer, like things that you can tell the designer what you need, and then the designer will tell you what they need, and so on and so forth. Once you have all the basics set up, and once the client has signed off on the design and the quote, the quote and then the design, you're going to start learning. You're going to come with me through the whole process of starting a basic theme from scratch all the way to completion, and it will be a fully bespoke custom theme. Now, the good thing about this is that it actually provides a user interface and an experience, even on the back end, that excites the clients. Like they will actually be enjoying logging on and changing content and adding more content. I've shown my clients, numerous clients, the back end and given them walkthroughs of everything, and they absolutely loved it. Every single one of them loved the back end experience of what I have built for them because it is so custom and it is so carefully put together that they will not break the website, that it is a very good experience for them. And this is something that all WordPress, not all, but most WordPress websites have a problem with. Like if you're a DIYer, or if you have handed over a website to a client that uses a certain page builder, for example, whatever it is, there are a lot of little things that the client needs to learn new and needs to learn not to touch just so it doesn't break. Everybody's afraid of it breaking. Everybody's afraid of updates breaking things. There's so many things about WordPress websites that people are afraid of. And with this type of theme development, that all just goes away. You will not have that. I can guarantee that because I've done this for so many clients and they've all loved how it works on the back end. So this is a really great way of putting together a website. Now, you can also use this as a way to build your own theme and then use that as a basis for extra child themes that you can sell separately. So you can go full on custom route where it becomes a really expensive website, or you can make your own base theme and then you can just really build quickly off of that. So you can go more expensive, or you can actually go cheaper because you have a really solid base. It can do exactly what you want, and it won't do anything that you don't want it to do. So I'll show you. So what we're going to be doing actually in this whole course actually, you will be coming along with me to build this website. Did you see how fast that loaded? There's a video here too. So this is the website that we are going to be building together, okay? I will be providing all of the design assets, and I've gotten permission from the designer to do this. She also gets paid a commission off of each course that I sell. But this website is a live website, and it works really well. Everything about it is custom. Right here, all this is custom. As you can see, you can even go in and no, I'll show you how custom it is. All right, look at this. In the inspector, you can see WDH. That is Wilson Designer Homes. It's WDH section, WDH row, WDH column. Everything about this website, all the code is 100% custom. So that means, as you saw, you can do everything that you want to do pretty much, and it won't have any of the bloat or any problems that comes with dealing with what plugins are forcing you to do, or what themes or page builders are forcing you to do. You won't have any of those problems because you're building everything. And also the back end, I'm going to pause this just so I can log into the back end. There was a jump cut there because I just logged into the back end. The back end looks like this. They've set the basic styles, whether it's white background, image on the left or right, and then you add the content here. You can add a logo if you wanted to. These are all things that you can set up very simply, and that's why the client doesn't have a way of breaking it. All right, and these are all Gutenberg blocks. So what we're actually going to be doing throughout the course is we're going to be using underscores, and we're going to be using ACF Pro. And with those two assets, I guess, underscores is not a paid thing. It's a free thing you can get off of underscores.me. It's a basic starter WordPress theme, a blank theme. And we're going to customize that. We're going to build so many things inside it that it will become your own full-on theme. And you need ACF Pro. If you don't have ACF Pro, you need ACF Pro, bro. Sorry. Yeah, so you need ACF Pro because ACF Pro has all the features that you need to be able to do this. I don't use anything else because it has, yeah, so if you don't have ACF Pro, you really need to buy that. This is a course that focuses on ACF Pro. So it's not that expensive if you get your personal license, and then once you start selling websites, you can get into a freelancer or a agency, a developer license if you need it. But you will be selling really cool themes, and that will totally sponsor all your ACF purchases. So yeah. All right. So anyways, I don't even have an affiliate link. So ACF Pro is just totally on you. You can buy it yourself and then come back and do this. All right. So that's the only thing extra that you need for this. Everything else is free, I think. Yeah. Everything else is free. I do, because I am providing a design layout, you will be getting a PDF, and I use Affinity Publisher to open the InDesign document. If you have Adobe, you will already have InDesign, or if you have Affinity, you can do that. But you can, as long as you can look at PDFs and you can follow along with what I'm doing in the PDF, that's fine. And I think that's about it. Nothing much else. As you can see here, I go over every aspect of the website, and I don't focus as much on styling everything. I run through all the stuff and explain what I did, but this is not a styling course. It is more of a creating a theme course. So styling is not the main focus here. Another thing is, this is a front-end styling course, front-end development, and also user experience in the back end. It is not about making custom functionalities. All right. For example, if you want to develop a certain functionality for WooCommerce, that is a whole different thing. It is not covered in this course, just so you know. All right. So yeah, I think that's about it. I think I have a lot of questions here that I wrote that can answer future. Another thing, you will be using a very lightweight structural code base that I developed myself. It's taken me a long time, and it's only about 5 to 7 kilobytes, depending on what you add or take out. And that is the basis of most of the structures. So it's like Bootstrap, but just bare bones with only the things that you need and using nothing else. So it's very lightweight. And then on top of that, if you just code the custom blocks like that, you end up with like 30, 40 kilobytes. That's it. So you get a really lightweight website. All right, so I'll just show you. Look, this is the file that is compiled from SAS 29 kilobytes. And that is what runs this whole website. This whole website, no other CSS, 29 kilobytes, minified. So that's the level of development you're going to be doing. All right. You might need some jQuery here and there. You might need some whatever JavaScript libraries that you might need for whatever, like Relax, Isotope, whatever it is. You can add that. But for CSS stuff, very lightweight. JavaScript, only load what you need, nothing else. You don't need anything else. That's about it. So it's these things load really quick. Really good. They're really good. So sign up for the course and see how I do it, learn, and I will also be adding some extra stuff here and there sometimes, and hopefully that helps. If you need it, ask me questions if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer or at least point you in the right direction where you can learn. And that'll be about it. Once you're done with this course, I guarantee you will level up your game and you will be able to charge way more or way less. And in the end, you'll have a better development world built out for you. Okay? So, I'll see you there. All right? Bye.